What did you say? What did you tell the kids?
To go, that we're gonna play hide and go seek. And that's how you get rid of the kids.
This is how it looks outside.
Look at your lights. Ready?
So we're playing hide and go seek at the house. Well, the kids just fueron a esconder supposedly. We got like 4 minutes of break. So now we're just gonna, well, my sister's gonna go look for them because she's the one who told them. And then just play with them for a little bit. Yeah, they read, they did work. They had, so Monday was Martin Luther King's Day, so they had a no school day. But since it started snowing, since it started snowing, they haven't been back to school since Tuesday. So today is Wednesday. So they didn't a couple of days off already. So I'm hoping, I don't think they're gonna go to school tomorrow either because the roads are really icy. And let me show you guys. Let me show you the people right now. Meet it. This is like the entrance of the apartments, and people are like trying to go, but this is like super bad how it is. Bad. Let's go see where the kids are. Ready or not, here we come. Shit in there.
You're saying
Ah, Jojo.
I was going like spin like this.
No, you can break that. Let's go.
I know it's sauces.
You can't be sane. Break my TV.
I know, right?
Let me see. Look for them.
Nah.
Alright?
No, we're gonna find out they're outside.
Don't see anyone.
Outside?
It can't be outside because it's cold.
This shit doesn't open.
Oh.
It does. It's like smoke in it. I don't know what it is.
No?
There's so lot of clothes on.
Am I still hiding?
Yeah. I don't know where Dave went. Dave turned off. Erica, did you turn on the light?
Okay, since you guys were already found, go downstairs.
No.
No, we have to go wait downstairs. Go downstairs. We're not all of us fading here. Are you looking here? In this one?
Do they have to be in your room?
What part of my room?
Hey, you guys supposed to have to hide in your room.
So I don't think they're here.
Are you fucking
I can't even fucking put a sweater on.
Listen, I was like, what? I was like, what? He hella blended in.
He hella did. I was like, when the fuck did my shit grow? That's what she's. Oh, so he's around here. Ah!
I told Dave to pick up my phone.
You did the best job.
Now I'm
Erica
gonna wait.
just have the cameras.
No, I'm gonna wait outside for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. So you can have the
So
whole
they can
house?
have the whole house to hide.
Yeah. But how
Okay, hold on. What are we doing today?
We're playing hide and seek at the house.
All right.
Indoor.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna record. We all have to make a video. We're gonna record.
You're gonna record?
Yeah, we're gonna record. Yeah, so we can know.
So since the kids didn't go to school, we are playing a game which is called.
Hide and seek. Indoor.
Ready? Indoor hide.
You guys ready to hide?
Yeah, we'll make it till she gets out.
So we're all.
Okay, so she's gonna go to outside. She said, for 30 minutes, which I don't believe I can. Outside is really
Okay.
fucking cold. Like it's cold. And it's slippery, so hopefully she doesn't eat shit. So, you guys have 30 minutes to hide. 10 minutes, ready?
Wait, you have to close all the curtains.
No.
You can look through them.
What?
Yeah, you can look through the
I'm
curtains.
gonna go through here.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Ready? It's gonna count for 10 minutes.
Wait till you go out there.
No,
I'm gonna ready.
step out.
You guys have 10 minutes.
Go. Shit, I can't see. Where are you?
Oh. Here. Can you hide me good? Ow. Yeah.
Oh, this fucking kid's coming. Hold on, let me get more things. Don't move, eh? Don't move, Evelyn. Suitcase, no. Hurry, hurry. Get all the way in the back. Hurry. She's not that underneath. Shh. Grabarte.
¿You put one of the kids in the secadora?
Oh, definitely, ho. Oh. Where are they? Where are they?
She was all with them.
Who are you missing?
David. Sebastian, Evelyn.
Oh shit, I didn't put where I stepped. What did you say?
I was like, why is it so, like, doblada?
Oh my
What the
god.
fuck?
Is that
I bet. It's suffocating.
We need to clean these rooms, girl. No mummies.
Yeah, I had to turn off. Yeah, I had to turn off.
Yeah, he had a sweating too.
See, everything is hot.
Oh, what happened?
I know, Bob, right here. Have you checked in here, in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Have you checked in there? Oh my god.
Where?
In there. Have you checked in the couch? Sometimes, no, have you checked that couch? That could be the best hiding spot.
Hijo de tu madre.
Oh, what is this?
Third time that they're gonna hide.
Wait,
And
so
this time-
Erica's hiding too?
Evelyn's gonna be looking for everybody.
Erica's hiding.
Okay,
I'm right here.
you guys have 10 minutes.
Wait, Mom. I need you. I'm a
No, Evelyn. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I'll tell you what.
That looks different.
Go. Make sure you guys have to wear sandals or something because of here.
Let's use them. Maybe under the bed. No, never did. Found Jojo.
You found him?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there. I don't even have enough time.
Well,
Found David.
you found David?
Yeah, I found David.
He didn't say.
Huh?
He didn't say. He just says I found. He said he.
Wait,
Go downstairs.
wait, I know. I was special.
Where?
Downstairs. Ours. No, come on. I heard like. Found mommy. I found so much. I found like a lot of stuff. I heard so much noise.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I did.
You need Sebastian. Hey, fucking whore. No. Who did you find? Oh, then we just see Sebastian. Oh, shit, okay. Yeah.
Yes. I guess I was in the window. Wait, can I go to the window?
Yes.
You got two.
Okay, he found you. Go downstairs, baby. He can't go outside. No, don't post it too much. Okay, do you give up or do you still want to look for him?
Nope, I'm not
Go
gonna
downstairs, baby. Okay, you already looked all up.
I want to find him.
Are you first?
Huh?
Wait. I'm in the bathroom. I'm only hiding like here.
The one who's gonna look for us is gonna be David. She gave up on looking for Sebastian. So Sebastian has two.
I got something for her.
I know.
Oh, you team.
So she gave up. He won again, and now David is gonna look for all of us. All right.
Okay, I'll go back.
You have 10 minutes to hide.
10 minutes.
All right. So we're all gonna hide, even me. Let's find a hiding place to hide, so we don't get caught. No, no. I don't know either. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna hide somewhere. But I'm not gonna hide where Jojo is because Jojo opens his mouth. So I'm gonna hide where Jojo is. There's a lot.
It's hot in there. I swear it's hot in there.
Where am I gonna hide? Nope, I'm not gonna hide where Jojo is. Mm-mm.
No, I'm hiding somewhere.
Hey.
Look. Right here.
You think?
It's right here.
Oh, try.
No, hide right there. Right there. Right there.
No, I think.
Should I hide there?
Go. Put your feet. Can you go down? Yeah, put your feet.
Okay, that was a bad hiding spot. Is there?
Go. Vete, bonita.
My legs.
I don't want. You need to check it. Put this one down.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, don't move, eh? No, don't move. Because I gonna know. Don't move. Don't move. Because I already hide you, right? Shh. Joe, where did you hide? No, put your break shit. Oh, right. Oh, I think I have clothes. Oh, right here. fucking trying to hide you, but I need to figure it out. We're ready.
Oh, you guys had 1 minute. Okay.
Estamos grabando.
How was that the first one to go?
Update, todavía no me encuentra. Creo que más faltamos yo, el Jojo, mi hermana y mi sobrina. Anda desesperado.
I'm gonna park. Nobody. Sebastian.
Oni,
Yeah. And you.
I've been there for like an hour or so.
No.
For like 10 years. Whew. I was already getting a cramp, bro.
Are you? Huh? What are you doing there?
What?
What is he doing there?
Oh, you found him?
Yes, what is he doing there? What the hell? He's doing a little sleep. So 2 more.
I think so.
That's more fun.
I know.
Why are you hiding there?
I've been in there for like 8 hours.
Me too.
How did you catch me the first time?
I found you.
Oh,
Yeah, bitch, y'all still take forever.
wow, you're sweating too?
My foot. I know my toes were like this. Get the fuck out. My foot. I need help.
Who decided to get up there?
Come on, Golda, you can do it.
No, like my fucking.
I know.
No. I fucking hate you. Oh, it's like one time in single.
I know, me too. I was getting like a numb for my day. I need to hurry up.
I was like, I need him to go downstairs so I can get the fuck out.
And every time I wanted to move, and then I felt him move, I was like, oh. I was like, fuck, I didn't even know.
Alright, I'm done. He found me. He found me, I repeat. Fuck you, Fernando. The thing, I don't know if you heard when he
I heard somebody saying so. I was like, what is that noise?
I was like, dude, I texted him and I was like, don't text me, don't text me.
That's not Sebastian.
I can't get the fuck out.
You sure nobody's in there now?
Oh,
I'm still looking.
who's missing?
Lovely. I found Sebastian.
God.
I know, bitch. My fucking feet were like that too. I was like, fuck, hurry up, David.
You're so sweaty. Jojo's so sweaty. Jojo, let me see.
Jojo's right there.
Jojo's
Look.
oh, she just like this.
He's
I don't
there.
want to play the next round.
You don't want to
I
play?
play it, boy.
Me too, boy. Me
Jojo,
too.
like, I was here for 8 hours. también está su patita. Aww.
I was down.
Peppa! I fucking.
Go downstairs and talk to Sebastian.
I
They passed me like 50 times.
know, I saw.
They passed me like 20 times.
I saw him like in the cameras. I'm like, bruh.
They passed me 20 times.
Joe, you're not playing, puppy? You're hella sweaty.
Who's going next?
Nah, yeah. Oh my god. No, se me entumieron las patas. Yeah. But I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on your notifications so every time we post a video, you guys get notified. Bye.